To ensure efficient performance and maximum lifespan, your home's heating and air conditioning systems need to be preventatively maintained. Today we're in Rohnert Park with Diamond Certified expert contributor Chris Street of Enviro Heating and Air Conditioning to learn more.
So the biggest tip that I can give about taking care of an HVAC system in your home would be to have it maintained. Preventative maintenance, having somebody come out, take a look at all your ductwork, make sure it's not leaking, take a look at your gas valve, make sure it's set for the right pressures, amp out the blower motor, make sure that it's performing well, make sure your system is up in top shape.
To learn more from local top-rated companies, visit our Diamond Certified expert reports at experts.diamondcertified.org.